Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
How's your life?
It's glorious.
Let's start.
By all means.
पढ़ाई करोगे?
I will study.
अरे पढ़ाई करोगे?
I will study.
Study.
I will study.
Study क्या?
I will study.
I will
study.
धन्यवाद.
I will study.
पढ़ाई थे?
I came yesterday.
पढ़ाई थे?
I came yesterday.
कौन नहीं आए थे? खड़े हो जाओ बेटे. जो कल नहीं आए थे? बैठ जाओ. हाँ. आ गए मम्मी? हैं? क्या? वो कहाँ रहे तुम्हारे सिस्टर? क्यों? उनके साथ आएंगे? सही था? हाँ. सर कुलदीप मैं आपको कॉल की. अच्छा जी. और कौन कौन था? दुष्यंत कहाँ?
He didn't come yesterday. Sir, he didn't come yesterday.
चलो भाई. चले तो 10 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर ले. हैव यू कंप्लीटेड 10 क्वेश्चन?
I have completed 10 questions.
अरे हैव यू कंप्लीटेड 10 क्वेश्चन?
I have completed 10 questions.
आई हैव कंप्लीटेड
10 questions.
किसी का ऐसा तो नहीं कोई जिसका कंप्लीट नहीं है. किसी का कंप्लीट नहीं है हाथ पकड़ना. इसका नहीं कंप्लीट. 10 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट नहीं है. बाकी सब क्या है? जितना करो तो आज सबका हैंड चेकअप हो जाएगा. जिन कंप्लीट है या नहीं है. तुम्हारे नहीं कंप्लीट है?
आधा याद
आधा याद नहीं. इसलिए खड़ा करो. चलो तो कोई नहीं. मैं कंप्लीट करवाता हूँ. चलिए सही तरह लेना. क्या होता है?
Appreciate music.
एप्रिशिएट म्यूजिक. बोलो तो.
Appreciate music.
एप्रिशिएट म्यूजिक क्या?
Appreciate music.
तो लेता मैं नहीं.
Do you appreciate music?
पूछो.
Do you appreciate music?
एप्रिशिएट म्यूजिक क्या?
Do you appreciate music?
यस.
I appreciate music.
एप्रिशिएट
Music.
म्यूजिक. बोलो तो.
I appreciate music.
तो ये लेता है कि नहीं?
Does he appreciate music?
जी एप्रिशिएट
Music.
क्या बोलेंगे?
Does he appreciate music?
जी एप्रिशिएट
Music.
नहीं लेता.
He does not appreciate music.
नहीं लेता.
He does not appreciate music.
नॉट
Appreciate music.
एप्रिशिएट म्यूजिक क्या बोलेंगे?
He does not appreciate music.
तो मैंने लिया था कि नहीं?
Did you appreciate music?
लिया था कि नहीं?
Did you appreciate music?
जी एप्रिशिएट
Music.
बोलो कुछ.
Did you appreciate music?
जी एप्रिशिएट
Music.
क्या?
Did you appreciate music?
नो.
I did not appreciate music.
आई डिड नॉट
Appreciate music.
इसने लिया था नहीं?
Did you appreciate music?
लिया था कि नहीं?
Did you appreciate music?
Did you appreciate म्यूजिक क्या?
Did he appreciate music?
यस.
He appreciated music.
एप्रिशिएटेड
Appreciated music.
म्यूजिक क्या?
He appreciated music.
एप्रिशिएटेड म्यूजिक क्या?
He appreciated music.
तो मैं लूंगा कि नहीं?
Will you appreciate music?
अरे पूछो.
Will you appreciate music?
एप्रिशिएटेड
Music.
यस.
I will appreciate music.
आई विल एप्रिशिएट
Music.
बोलो कुछ.
I will appreciate music.
ये लगा कि नहीं?
Will you appreciate music?
एप्रिशिएटेड
Music.
क्या?
Will you appreciate music?
शायद ले.
He will appreciate music.
अरे शायद ले.
He will appreciate music.
मैं एप्रिशिएट म्यूजिक क्या?
He will appreciate music.
मैं एप्रिशिएट
Music.
गॉट इट.
Yes, got it.
कुछ मैं ले रहा हूँ.
I will appreciate music.
ले रहा है नहीं?
Are you appreciating music?
आर यू एप्रिशिएटिंग म्यूजिक क्या?
Are you appreciating music?
नो.
I am not appreciating
आई
music.
एम नॉट
Appreciating music.
एप्रिशिएटिंग म्यूजिक क्या बोलेंगे?
I am not appreciating music.
तो ये ले रहा है कि नहीं?
Is he appreciating music?
ले रहा है कि नहीं?
Is he appreciating music?
जी एप्रिशिएटिंग म्यूजिक क्या बोलेंगे?
Is he appreciating music?
जी एप्रिशिएटिंग है?
Music.
जी बोलो जी.
Is he appreciating music?
ले रहा है.
He is appreciating music.
ले रहा है.
He is appreciating music.
एप्रिशिएटिंग है?
Music.
तो मैंने ले लिया है कि
Have
नहीं?
you appreciated music?
पूछो.
Have you appreciated music?
हैव यू एप्रिशिएटेड it?
Music.
यस.
I have appreciated music.
आई हैव
Appreciated music.
एप्रिशिएटेड म्यूजिक क्या बोलेंगे?
I have appreciated music.
प्रश्न लिया है कि नहीं?
Has he appreciated music?
हैज यू एप्रिशिएटेड it?
Music.
बोलो कुछ.
Has he appreciated music?
नो.
He has not appreciated music.
नॉट.
He has not appreciated music.
वी आर नॉट
Appreciated music.
एप्रिशिएटेड म्यूजिक क्या बोलेंगे?
He has not appreciated music.
हटेड.
Yes, got it. No problem.
बोलेंगे.
I will speak.
बोलेंगे.
I will speak.
इंग्लिश.
I will speak English. I will speak English.
चलिए उम्मीद करता हूँ अब कंप्लीट हो जाने चाहिए हैं. तो ठीक है आज लाइव चेकअप कर लेते हैं अभी किसके अच्छे से कंप्लीट है या नहीं. तो कौन कौन आएगा भाई पहले कौन कौन आना पसंद करेगा? अच्छा एक काम करो भाई। अच्छा जी एक काम करो, यू कम, आ जाओ यू एंड ओके यू कम, चलो आ जाओ दोनों, लेट्स कम।
Good evening, guys. Very good evening, sir. How are you doing? I am good, thanks, and you? And how's your life? It's glorious.
Do you appreciate music?
I appreciate music.
Does he appreciate music?
He appreciated music.
Did you appreciate music?
I appreciated music.
Did he appreciate music?
He appreciated music.
सही पूछा, डिड ही अप्रिशिएटेड म्यूजिक, डिड ही अप्रिशिएटेड, सही पूछा। तो ध्यान से सुनना है, आंसर तब करना है।
Did you appreciate music?
I appreciated music.
Will he appreciate music?
He will appreciate music.
Will you appreciate music?
I will appreciate music. I appreciate music.
Are you appreciating
I
music?
am not appreciating music.
थोड़ा तेज से बोलो तुम। हाँ
Is he appreciating music?
He is not appreciating music.
Have you appreciated music?
I have appreciated music.
Has he appreciated music?
He has appreciated music.
हो गया क्वेश्चन। हाँ
No.
लेफ्ट हो रहा है, क्या रहा है? इज है, इज ही
सर जी हो तो
हो तो गए है, क्या बोलता है ना हो तो गाँव की बात तो भाई ना निकला। हाँ चले हो गया, तो तुम पूछो भाई, चलो।
Do you speak English?
I speak English.
Does he speak English?
He speaks English.
Did he speak English?
He did not speak English.
Did you speak English?
I spoke English.
Will you speak English?
I will speak English.
Will he speak English?
He will not speak English.
Are you speaking English?
I am speaking
Is
English.
he speaking English?
He is speaking English.
Have you spoken English?
I have not spoken English.
Has he spoken English?
He has spoken English.
चले हो गया, चलो तो गो टू सीट, क्लैप फॉर दैट। नाउ विल कम, ओके यू कम, आ जाओ, आ जाओ दोनों।
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I am good, thanks, and you?
How's your life?
इट्स ग्लोरियस।
First, I ask. After that.
Do you take tea?
थोड़ा जोर से बोलना, जो भी पूछो थोड़ा तेज, डरना नहीं है। हाँ
Do you cook the food?
I cook the food.
Does he cook the food?
He does cook. He does not cook the food.
Did he cook the food? He
Cook the food.
You are making mistake. Did he cook the food?
He cooked the food. तो डर लग रहा है।
डर लग रहा है, किससे डर रहे हो? किससे डर रहे हो? डरो मत, ठीक है, डरो मत ना।
Will you cook the food?
I will cook the food.
Will he cook the food?
He will cook the food.
Are you cooking the food?
I am not cooking the food.
Is he cooking the food?
He is cooking the food.
Has he cooked the food?
He has cooked the food.
Have you cooked the food?
I have cooked the food.
Will he cook the food? Cook the food.
He will cook the food.
You are making mistake.
Will he
Will he cook the food?
cook the food? So he will cook the food.
Now it's your turn.
Do you take bath?
Yes, I take bath.
Does he take bath?
He takes bath.
Did you take bath?
हाँ, did you take bath? डरो मत।
Take bath?
I took bath.
Did he take bath?
He did not take bath.
Will you take bath?
I will take bath.
Will he take bath?
He will not take the bath. Take bath.
He has take bath.
You are making mistake.
Has he take bath?
You are making mistake.
Has he taken bath?
He has not taken bath.
Have he taken bath?
Say again.
Have you taken bath?
I have taken bath.
Are you taking bath?
I am not taking bath.
हो गए जी? हो गए? कहाँ हो गए? इजी इजी टेकिंग बात।
Is he taking bath?
He is not taking bath.
थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस लाओ, ठीक है? बोलने का डर बहुत रहे हो, पसीना आ रहा है कॉन्फिडेंस लाओ। अरे गलती तो होगा, कोई फांसी लग रही है यहाँ पे।
कल को करवा लेना तो
ए लो कल को करवा लेना। तो ये कहो ना, आई विल डू टुमारो जी, कल करेंगे। आई विल डू टुमारो, खुद बोलो ये बात, ठीक है? करवाने का क्या बात है जी? आई विल डू टुमारो, चलो जी कल कर देंगे जी, ठीक है? ओके, गो टू सिट, क्लैप फॉर देम। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट भाई। अच्छा जी, ओके, चलो ओके, यू कम।
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Need to end how's your life?
It's glorious.
Do you bunk the class?
No, I do not bunk the class.
Does he bunk the class?
He bunked the class.
Did you bunk the class?
I did not bunk the class.
Did he bunk the class?
He bunked the class.
Will you bunk the class?
I will not bunk the class.
Will he bunk the class?
He will bunk the class.
Are you bunking the class?
I'm not bunking the class.
Is he bunking the class?
He is not bunking the class.
Have you bunked the class?
I have not bunked the class.
Has he bunked the class?
He has not bunked the class. You plunder?
I do not plunder.
Does he plunder?
He does not plunder.
Did he plunder?
No, I did not plunder.
Did he plunder?
No, he did not plunder.
Did you plunder?
No, I will not plunder.
Did he plunder?
He may plunder.
Are you plundering?
No, I am not plundering.
Is he plundering?
He is not plundering.
Have you plundered?
I have
Have you
not
plundered?
Plundered. Has he plundered?
He has not plundered.
हो गया? ओके, गो टू सिट, क्लैप फॉर देम। यू कम। हाँ, कंप्लीट है तुम्हारे कार्तिक? कंप्लीट है? कंप्लीट है?
Yeah, I will do yesterday.
आई विल डू येस्टरडे, आई विल डू टुमारो। हैं?
I will do tomorrow.
अच्छा, कल करोगे? बैठ जाओ।
Start.
ओके, चलो आ जाओ, दोनों आ जाओ, चलो।
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's your life?
It's glorious.
And yours?
Me too.
Do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea.
Does he take tea?
Yes. Yes, he take tea.
Did he
सही आंसर किया। ही टेक टी। हाँ, तब कहा हो ना।
You are making mistake.
ये पूछा था, डज ही टेक टी, चाय पीता कि नहीं पीता, कैसे बोलेंगे?
Does he take tea? Yes. Yes, he take tea.
ही टेक्स, ऐसे यस कौन लगाएगा?
Yes, he takes a tea.
Did you take tea?
Yes, I took tea.
Did he take tea?
Yes, I took tea. You are making mistake.
हाँ। डिड ही टेक टी, इसने चाय पी थी या नहीं?
Did he take tea?
No, I did not take
ही के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं। ही आस्किंग अबाउट ही। हाँ, ही के बारे में बताओ ना।
No, he did not take tea.
हाँ, इस तरीके से।
Will
take tea? Yes, I will take tea. Will he take tea? No, will take tea.
सही पूछा है क्या? सही जवाब दिया?
Mistake. Will he take tea? Will he take tea? Yes, I will take tea.
Will he take tea? He will take tea.
Yes, I will take tea.
I नहीं आएगा. Yes, he will take tea. He will.
Are you taking tea?
हाँ?
Are you taking tea?
Taking tea हाँ.
Yes, I taken tea. You are making mistake.
I am taking tea. चलो कोई नहीं, तुम अच्छे से करेक्ट करो पहले, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो दोनों, ठीक है? फिर से करना है प्रैक्टिस. Go to sit, clap for them. Next number. Okay. अमन हो गए कम, एंथुसियंत आ जाओ. चलो नंबर सबका आएगा, चिंता ना करो.
सर हम जल्दी जाएंगे सर.
ये लो रे, जल्दी जाएंगे.
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's your life?
It's glorious.
And yours?
You should ask.
You take tea?
Yes, I take it.
Does he take tea?
Please, you should change action.
एक्शन चेंज करो.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learned English.
Did you learn English?
Yes, I learned English.
Speak loudly, sir.
You are making mistake.
Yes, I learned English.
Did you learn English?
Yes. No, he did not learn English.
Will you learn English?
Yes, I will learn English.
Will he learn English?
He will might learn English.
Are you learning
Even wise learn English?
You are making
सही आंसर आ रहा है. फिर तो
He will may learn English.
he may will नहीं आएगा फिर.
He may learn English.
Are you learning English?
No, I am not. Yes, I am learning English.
Is he learning English?
He is not learning English.
Have you learned English?
I have learned English.
Has he learned
Speak
English?
loudly, sir.
He has not learned English. Do you take liquor?
I do not take liquor.
Does he take liquor?
He does not take liquor.
Did you take liquor?
I did not take liquor.
Did he take liquor?
He did not take liquor.
Are you taking liquor?
I am not taking liquor.
Is he taking liquor?
He is not taking liquor.
Have you taken liquor?
I am not taking liquor.
Are you making mistake?
Are you making mistake? You are making mistake. हाँ.
You are making mistake.
Sir, I said that I am not taken liquor.
I am.
Varsal,
I am not taken liquor.
क्या
have
पूछा
you
है?
taken liquor?
Have you taken liquor पूछा है.
I am not taken liquor.
हाँ तो सही तो है.
Has he taken liquor?
He has not taken liquor.
Okay, go to sit, clap for them. Okay, next. Yes, Upasana. You and you. Okay, come you. हाँ, and Upasana, come. जल्दी से. जल्दी खड़े हो.
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's your life?
It's glorious.
And yours? Me too. Do you take liquor?
I do not take liquor.
Does he take liquor?
He does not take liquor.
हाँ सही बोल रहे हो, घबरा क्यों?
Did you stand on the bank of river?
एक एक्शन लो, एक से पूछो. चलो एक एक्शन में आपको दे रहा हूँ. काउंट मनी से पूछो. चलो 10 क्वेश्चन काउंट मनी से पूछो.
Did you count money?
शुरू से पूछो. 2 से.
Do you count money?
I do not count money.
Does he count money?
Does he count money?
हैं?
You are making mistake. Does he count money?
He count money.
You are making mistake.
डज ही काउंट मनी? पैसे गिनता है कि नहीं गिनता है? तो ही काउंट्स मनी. हाँ.
Counts money.
Did you count money?
I did not count money.
Did he count money?
He did not count money.
Will you count money?
I will not count money.
Will he count money?
He will count money.
Are you counting money?
I will not count money.
You are making a mistake. Are you counting money?
क्या पूछा?
Are you counting money?
आर यू काउंटिंग मनी? पैसे गिन रहे हो? गिन रहे हो? नहीं गिन रहे तो मना कैसे करोगे?
I am not
आई एम नॉट
counting money.
काउंटिंग मनी।
I am not counting money.
मेहनत नहीं कर रहे तुम इसका उपासना कर रहे हो, घर पे जाके मेहनत हैं कर करी थी, की थी प्रैक्टिस की थी हैं, संकल्प की थी, फिर कैसी प्रैक्टिस करी भाई हैं, कैसी प्रैक्टिस करी थी? संकल्प तुम जाओ, चलो तुम आंसर करोगे हैं, चलो पहुंचो आराम से।
सर ये डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं।
कौन? अरे सामने बैठेगा ऐसे
सर ये पेन पे
इधर बैठ। हाँ
से पूछो।
हाँ इनसे पूछो, चलो तुम इधर खड़े हो जाओ। तो अरे क्या इनको क्यों भगा रहे हो? ये भी खड़े रहने इनको भी। हाँ
Do you count money?
चलो बैठ जाओ, तुम बैठ जाओ चलो।
I do not count money.
Does he count money?
I does he count money?
हैं? डज ही काउंट मनी? ये पैसे गिनता है कि नहीं गिनता?
Yes, I count.
You are making a mistake.
क्या कर रहे हो? इसके अलावा रसगुल्ले का कोई वो ख्याल नहीं है, रसगुल्ले खा के भी कोई फायदा नहीं रहा तुम्हारा भाई। देखा है रसगुल्ले सारे के सारे?
Yes, I count.
ही के बारे में पूछा, डज ही काउंट मनी? है पैसे गिनता है कि नहीं?
He count money. He counts money.
हाँ ऐसे बोलो
Did
ना।
he count money?
I didn't count money.
You are making
No.
a mistake.
प्रैक्टिस करना है अच्छे से, तुम प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे, तुम कैसे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो भाई? उपासना आपस में प्रैक्टिस करो दोनों घर पे जाके अच्छे से, ठीक है ना? अगर कुछ समय आए तो क्लास यूट्यूब पर डाला हुआ फिर से देखो। होने दे पापा दे मैं तो फिर क्या करो हैं?
3 while.
3 मोबाइल हैं। अरे तो भैया एक भी फोन में मतलब वीडियो ना चले चले है सब में, फिर देखो क्या क्या देखो फोन में? फिर वीडियो काहे की वीडियो देखो?
आती नहीं है.
आती ना है?
सर हाँ हमारी सिस्टर न्यू है, खुलती तो है नहीं क्लास।
खुलती नहीं है क्लास?
हाँ
अरे ऐसे कैसे हो जाए क्लास?
सब खुलती है, सब खुलती है।
अच्छा एक चीज
और वैसे को आप खोल
सर,
तो
आप-
सारे भी मांगेगा, अपनी आईडी लगाओगे जब जाकर वो होगी।
अरे तुम्हारा हाँ
वो तो खुलती है।
अरे
सुनो एक चीज सुनो, देखो यूट्यूब पे देखो, अगर यूट्यूब पे तुम्हें वीडियो नहीं मिलता है ना, वो ढूंढने से नहीं मिलता होगा, हमसे पूछो ठीक है? एक काम करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दो, उसके बाद उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा। अगर ऐसे भी ना मिले ना तो क्या करो, व्हाट्सएप पर लिख के भेज दो, हाय सर हमें ग्रुप में ऐड कर दो, ग्रुप में ऐड कर देंगे, उसमें लिंक मिल जाएगा तुम्हें डेली बेस। ये काम कर लेना है।
हमारे पे तो आता है.
हाँ तो डेली बेस सबको भेजते हैं,
हमारे में.
तो व्हाट्सएप पे ऐड हो जाना है ग्रुप में, ये काम कर लेना है ठीक है? अच्छे से करना है। आ जाओ चलो तुम भी वापसी आओ, चलो तुम पहुंचो भाई यू। हाँ तुमको रसगुल्ले कब मिलेंगे? अब नहीं मिलेंगे।
How are you doing?
I am good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's life?
It's glorious.
Do you pull the lamp?
I do not pull the lamp.
Does he pull the lamp?
He pulls the lamp.
Did you pull the lamp?
I do not pull the lamp.
Did he pull the lamp?
He did not pull the lamp.
Will you pull the lamp?
I will not pull the lamp.
Will he pull the lamp?
He will pull the lamp.
Are you pulling the lamp?
Are you pulling the lamp?
Are you pulling the lamp?
I am not pulling the lamp.
Is he pulling the lamp?
Sorry?
Is he pulling the lamp?
He is not pulling the lamp.
Have you pulled
Pulled.
the lamp?
I have not pulled the lamp.
Has he pulled the lamp?
He has not pulled the lamp. Do you count money?
I do not count money.
Does he count money?
He counts money.
Did you cook the food?
फिर
I
से दूसरे उस पर पहुंच गए, एक एक्शन को पूछना है, एक एक्शन से लेकर के।
Did you count money?
count money. Did he count?
ये सही आंसर क्या? आई काउंट मनी, आई काउंटेड।
Yes. I counted money.
Did he counted money?
He did not
अब इन
count
लोगों ने डिड के
money.
साथ काउंटेड कर दिया, दो हुआ सेकंड फॉर्म।
Did he count money?
He did not count money.
Will you count money?
I will count money.
Will he count money?
He may count money.
Are you counting money?
I am counting money.
Is he counting money?
He is not counting money.
Have you counted money?
I have not counting the money.
Has he counted money?
He has not counting money.
चलो गुड और क्लैप फॉर देम। चलो नो कट गया फंद है, कट गया फंद ना है। चलिए नेक्स्ट योर टर्न हैज नॉट कम, योर टर्न हैज नॉट कम
Again, sir.
अगेन। चांस एक बार मिलता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलता है भाई चांस एक बार। अच्छा दो बार, हाँ एक बार चांस मिलेगा बस। ओके यू कम एंड नो एंड मंजू यू कम।
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Very good afternoon. How are you doing? I'm good. And you? How's your life? It's glorious. And yours? It's also good. Do you go to treat? Do you go to treat? I do not go to treat. Does he go to treat? He goes to treat. Did you go to treat? I did not go to treat. Did he go to treat? He did not go to treat. Will you go to treat? I will go to treat. Will you go to treat? He will go to treat. Are you going to treat? I am not going to treat. Is he going to treat? He is not going to treat. Have you gone to treat? I have gone to treat. Has he gone to treat? He has not gone to treat. Do you give surprise? I do not give surprise. Does he give surprise? He gives surprise. Did you give surprise? I did not give surprise. Did he give surprise? He gives surprise. Will you give surprise? Yes, I will give surprise. Will he give surprise? He will not give surprise. Are you giving surprise? I am not giving surprise. Is he giving surprise? He is not giving surprise. Has he given surprise? He has given surprise. Have you given surprise? I have given surprise.
अगर go to sit clap for them. चलिए नेक्स्ट यू कम। ओके यू कम एंड मनीष यू कम।
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. And how's your life?
It's glorious.
And yours? Me too.
Do you come here?
I come here.
Does he come here?
He comes here.
Did you come here?
I came here.
Did he come here?
He did not come here.
Will you come here?
I come here.
Will you come here?
He will come here.
Are you coming here?
I am coming here.
Is he coming here?
He is not coming here.
Have you come here?
I have came here. I have come here.
Has he come here?
He
Has he
has-
come here?
He has come here. Do you attend the class?
Yes, I attended the class.
Does he attend the class?
He does not attend the class.
Did you attend the class?
I attended the class.
Did he attend the class?
He attended the class.
Will you attend the class?
I will attend the class.
Will he attend the class?
He will attend the class.
Are you attending the class?
I am attending the class.
Is he attending the class?
He is not attending the class.
Have you attended the class?
I have attended the class.
Has he attended the class?
He has not attended the class.
ऐसा करना सभी को प्रैक्टिस, ध्यान रखना है बात अच्छे से बिल्कुल एकदम। गो टू सीट क्लैप फॉर देम। नेक्स्ट ओके हर्ष यू कम।
No, sir.
थ्रॉट नॉट वर्किंग। अच्छा
Sir of the giant.
ओके यस प्रिया एंड ओके
Sir. Sir.
ओके यू आर ना कम। ओके कम।
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
And how's your life?
It's glorious.
And yours? Fantastic. What's your done? Yeah. Okay. Do you donate blood? No, I do not donate blood. Does he donate blood? Yes, he donates blood. Did you donate blood? I did not donate blood. Did he donate blood? He did not donate blood. Did he donate blood? I will not donate blood.
Will he donate blood?
Repeat again, ma'am.
Will he donate blood?
He may be donate blood.
He may donate blood. He may.
Okay.
Have you donated blood?
No, I have not donated blood.
Has he donated blood?
He has donated blood.
Are you donating blood?
No, I am not donating blood.
Is he donating blood?
No, he is not donating blood. Do you complete study?
I completed study.
Does he complete study?
He doesn't complete his study.
Did he complete study?
He did not complete study.
Did you complete study?
Did you?
Complete study.
I did not complete the study.
Okay. Will you complete study?
I will complete study.
Will he complete study?
He will complete his study.
Are you completing study?
I am not completing the study.
Is he completing study?
He is not completing the study.
Have you completed study?
I have not completed the study.
Has he completed study?
He has not completed the study.
That's enough.
ये रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए जो हो रहा है वो आप कंप्लीट आई नो करो मैंने जाके गो टू
check किया।
क्लैप फॉर देम नेक्स्ट प्रशांत हाँ कल क्या आता है कल कभी आया कभी कल यू कम नेक्स्ट इनके अलावा और कौन यू विल यू कम यस गो
Good evening, guys. Very good evening, ma'am. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. And you? Me too. How's your life? It's glorious. Ask me.
हेलो आपस में गदरो आसमी करो शुरुआत
Do you take tea?
I take tea.
Did you take tea?
He takes tea.
Does he take
He
tea?
takes tea.
Does he take tea?
He takes tea. Speak loudly.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो दोनों ही
Will you take tea? Will you take tea?
I will take tea.
Have you take tea?
I have take tea.
सही पूछा हैव यू टेक टी तुम भी हैव टेक टी अरे हैव यू टेकन टी थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना है
Have you taken tea?
I have taken tea.
Has he taken tea?
I has taken tea.
आई हैज टेकन टी तुमने क्या पूछा हैज यू टेकन टी है अरे हैव यू प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो रही मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हो हैव यू टेकन टी
Have you taken tea?
I have taken tea.
Is he taken tea?
इज ही टेकिंग टी टेकन थर्ड फॉर्म लगा रहे तुम पूछो चलो तुम पूछना जरा
Do you plead your friend?
I
एक काम करो यू गो टुवर्ड्स सीट यस यू कम ऐसा
Good evening, guys.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Me too. How's your life?
It is glorious.
And yours?
Do you plead your friend?
I do not plead my friend.
Does he plead your friend?
He pleads his friend.
Did you plead your friend? Did you plead your friend?
I did not plead my friend.
Did he plead your friend?
He did not plead his friend.
Will you plead your friend?
I may plead my friend.
Will he plead your friend?
He might plead his friend.
विल ही प्लीड योर फ्रेंड ये पूछा ना तो ही विल नॉट प्लीड माय फ्रेंड आएगा फिर योर फ्रेंड का माय फ्रेंड बन जाएगा
Are you plead?
क्या पूछा था ना? क्या पूछा था? क्या पूछा आपने? विल ही प्लीड योर फ्रेंड? अच्छा तो ही विल, या तो ही विल प्लीड माय फ्रेंड या ही विल नॉट प्लीड, इस तरीके से।
Will he plead your friend? Will he plead your friend?
He will not plead my friend.
Are you plead your friend?
आर यू प्लीडिंग?
I am not pleading.
Is he your plead your friend?
इज
Is he plead your friend?
प्लीडिंग?
Is he pleading your friend?
He is not pleading my friend.
Have you plead your friend?
हैव यू प्लीडेड?
Have you pleaded your friend?
I have not pleaded my friend.
हो गया, गुड सिट, क्लैप फॉर देम। अच्छा तुमने नहीं पूछे किसी से भी, चलो तुम्हारे लिए पूछने के लिए बुलाते हैं भाई। हैं, चलो आ जाओ मनीषा। हाँ पूछो चलो उनसे।
Yes, I breathe. Does he breathe? He does not breathe. Did you breathe? I did. I breathed. Did he breathe? He did not breathe. Will he breathe? I will breathe. He will breathe. Sorry. Will he breathe? He will not breathe. Are you breathing? I am not breathing. Is he breathing? He is not breathing. Have you breathed? I have breathed. He has breathed. He has breathed. Yes.
क्या?
He asked. He has breathed. He has breathed. She said he has.
हैज ही?
Sorry, sir. Has he breathed? He has not breathed.
चलो गुड सिट, क्लैप फॉर देम। अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना है। अभी प्रैक्टिस का मैं आप ये ध्यान रखना, प्रैक्टिस बिल्कुल अच्छे से करना है। और ये तब होगी जब आप करोगे बाबा जाके घर में। क्या किया तुमने घर जाके कल? तुमको कोई दिक्कत आती है तो यूट्यूब पे जाके देखो, फिर से रिवीजन मारो उसका, और अच्छे से करना है। अपने एक दूसरे से अपने आप से सवाल जवाब करो, पार्टनर मिलता है तो ठीक है, तो अपने आप से करो, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस करो, अपने आप से करो। डू स्पीक इंग्लिश? यस आई स्पीक इंग्लिश। डू लर्न इंग्लिश? यस आई लर्न इंग्लिश। डज यू लर्न इंग्लिश? नो भाई, जो मन में आए करो जाके घर पे जाके अच्छे से। बस कुछ नहीं किया है, बाकी चलो प्रयास की अच्छी बात है, और अच्छे से करना है, इसको बेहतर बनाना है। बेहतर बनाने के लिए बाबा प्रैक्टिस करना है। Got it?
Yes, got it. Yes, got it.
Any problem?
No problem. No problem. No problem.
ठीक है, सर फुट रही इतना ही काफी आज के लिए। मिट मार कर मिल जाएगा।
Same here.